Hey YouTube creators, 2025 is full of exciting opportunities to grow on this platform. We're talking big growth, the kind of growth that makes you want to give away $100,000 to a random subscriber. Just kidding. But seriously, the YouTube game is changing and you gotta be ready to change with it. That's why I'm here to break down the absolute best tips and tricks to blow up your channel in 2025. So, if you're ready to crank those subscriber numbers up to the moon, buckle up, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's dive right into the good stuff. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about YouTube Shorts. If you haven't jumped on this train yet, you're missing out on a goldmine of views. Think about it. Quick, snappy videos that grab people's attention faster than I can eat a plate of spicy wings. That's what Shorts are all about. And the best part? YouTube is pushing Shorts like crazy right now. They want these things to go viral, which means they're giving them a ton of organic reach. So, even if you're just starting out with a tiny channel, Shorts can catapult you into the spotlight. Trust me, I've seen it happen. Now here's the key, your Shorts need to be engaging. We're talking about those can't look away kind of videos. Think fast cuts, trending sounds, text on screen, and most importantly, a hook that grabs people within the first few seconds. Remember, you're competing with a whole lot of other creators out there, so make those first few seconds count. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different types of content, different editing styles, different sounds. See what resonates with your audience. You can even repurpose your longer videos into bite-sized shorts to give them a second life. Oh, and here's a pro tip from yours truly. A/B test your thumbnails and titles. It's like a science experiment for your videos. Create a couple of different options for each short and see which one performs best. You'd be surprised at what a difference a catchy title and an eye-catching thumbnail can make. Next up, let's talk about the future of content creation, artificial intelligence. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI taking over my channel? No way. But hold on a second, because AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to be your secret weapon. Think of AI as your super smart sidekick, the one who analyzes the data, crunches the numbers, and tells you exactly what's working and what's not. There are some incredible AI tools out there that can help you with everything from generating video ideas to optimizing your thumbnails for maximum click-through rate. Take TubeBuddy and VidIQ for example. These platforms are like having a team of YouTube experts at your fingertips. They use AI to analyze trends, predict what's going to be big next, and even help you optimize your tags and descriptions to rank higher in search results. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you understand your audience better than ever before. It can analyze their viewing habits, demographics, and interests to give you valuable insights into what kind of content they crave. Talk about a recipe for viral success. Now, here's the best part. AI frees up your time and energy so you can focus on what really matters, creating awesome content. Let the AI handle the boring stuff like optimizing your titles and descriptions while you unleash your creativity on the world. It's like having a personal assistant for your YouTube channel. So, don't be afraid to embrace the power of AI. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. And trust me, once you start using AI to your advantage, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Alright, let's get real for a second. YouTube isn't just about the views, the subscribers, or the shiny play buttons. Although those are pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. At its core, YouTube is about connection. It's about building a community around the things you're passionate about. Think about your favorite YouTubers. They're not just creators, they're friends. You feel like you know them, you trust their opinions, and you can't wait to see what they come up with next. That's the power of community, and it's something you can cultivate on your own channel. So, how do you build a thriving community on YouTube? It starts with engagement. Don't just upload a video and disappear. Respond to comments, ask questions, and show your viewers that you genuinely care about what they have to say. Take it a step further and host live Quanda sessions where you can interact with your audience in real time. Answer their burning questions, get their feedback on your content, and even give them a sneak peek behind the scenes. And hey, if you really want to create a dedicated space for your community, consider creating a Discord server or a Facebook group. These platforms allow for more in-depth conversations, exclusive content, and a real sense of belonging among your viewers. But here's the most important tip of all. Listen to your audience. Ask them what kind of content they want to see, what challenges they're facing, and how you can provide value to their lives. Your viewers are your greatest asset, so treat them like gold. Okay, let's talk SEO, aka search engine optimization. Now I know what you're thinking, SEO sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, right? But trust me on this one because SEO is the secret sauce that can make or break your channel's visibility. Think of SEO as the language you need to speak to get YouTube's attention. The better you understand this language, the more likely your videos are to show up in search results, recommended feeds, and ultimately, in front of more eyeballs. So where do you start? It all begins with understanding what your audience is searching for. Tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public are your new best friends. They'll show you exactly what keywords and phrases people are typing into that YouTube search bar, giving you valuable insights into their interests and pain points. Once you know what your audience is looking for, it's time to sprinkle those keywords naturally throughout your content. Don't just stuff them in there like you're trying to win a keyword cramming contest. Instead, incorporate them organically into your titles, descriptions, tags, and even within your video scripts. And here's a pro tip: create playlists. Playlists are like mini-series on YouTube that keep viewers hooked for hours on end. Group your videos together by theme, topic, or even just by how awesome they are. This not only boosts your watch time, which YouTube loves, but it also encourages viewers to binge watch your content like it's the latest season of their favorite show. Alright creators, let's talk about one of the most powerful growth strategies in the YouTube playbook: collaborations. Think about it. 2 channels, 2 audiences, double the reach, double the fun. Collaborations are a win-win situation and they can skyrocket your channel's visibility faster than you can say algorithm. Now when it comes to collaborations, don't limit yourself to just the big players in your niche. While partnering with a mega channel can definitely give you a nice boost, don't underestimate the power of teaming up with smaller creators who have a highly engaged audience that aligns perfectly with yours. Reach out to creators whose content you genuinely enjoy and who share a similar target audience. Brainstorm some epic video ideas together, combine your unique styles and personalities, and watch the magic happen. And hey, collaborations aren't limited to just YouTube. Cross-promote your videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes footage, and even host joint live streams to tap into new audiences and expand your reach even further. Remember, collaboration is all about building relationships and supporting each other's growth. So be a good collaborator, promote the heck out of your joint videos, and watch as your subscriber counts soar to new heights. We've covered a lot of ground today, but there's one last ingredient that's absolutely crucial for YouTube's success: consistency. Think of it like this: your viewers are like your friends, and just like your friends appreciate it when you're there for them, your viewers appreciate it when you show up consistently with fresh, engaging content. Now, consistency doesn't mean you have to upload a new video every single day. Find a schedule that works for you and your life. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even once a month, and stick to it like glue. But here's the thing: consistency isn't just about uploading on a regular schedule. It's also about being consistent with your brand, your message, and most importantly, your personality. Don't be afraid to let your true self shine through in your videos. People connect with authenticity, so embrace your quirks, your sense of humor, and what makes you unique. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the thought of creating new content all the time, here's a pro tip: batch create your videos. Set aside a day or two each month to film, edit, and schedule your content in advance. This way you'll always have a backlog of awesome videos ready to go, even when life gets crazy. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. So, be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, have fun along the way. There you have it, creators. Those are my top tips to dominate YouTube in 2025. Remember, it's all about creating awesome content, engaging with your community, and being consistent with your uploads. Now I want to hear from you. Which tip are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're at it, smash that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks, and share this video with your fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.